wanted to dig through the lava to plant something.
To what?
Plant something?
Plant?
Yeah.
Oh no, lava is lava rock is super rich. It's a rich soil.
Okay, so it's easy.
Like this right now.
Yeah.
Reddish. It's rich in iron and it has almost all the minerals. It's only missing nitrogen, which the plants are the ones in charge of producing nitrogen because when they drop the leaves are really good in nitrogen, so they just build up layers for our vegetation to grow. But this lava rock, it's super rich in minerals.
Okay. So it's fairly soft. It's not like hard like a rock.
Yeah, no, this one is pretty soft. The one
Okay.
that you see reddish, brownish color, that's pretty soft. Now the dark one is really, it's not hard, but it's more like a hard sponge.
Okay.
When it's like fresh lava. So it breaks down a little bit easy, the upper layer, but it takes a while just because of corrosion.
Because we saw when we were here in 2008, we went to a beach that was all lava near the volcano, and they were planting little palm trees all along throughout the beach.
Palm trees?
Yeah, like little baby palms.
Gotcha. There might be a resort right there right now.
There wasn't really. Like, I don't know why they were doing palm trees, but.
Maybe to make it look nice. Making video of volcano. Look at this. There's a lot of good stuff.
Alright, you guys ready?
We're ready.
It's like 30 seconds to get to the lava tube.
I'm excited.
It's gonna be on the left side. Yeah, they had to kind of like close this area because people were parking on the road and just like crossing the street. Now imagine people crossing the street right now. So that's why you recognize we're getting close because of these signs and poles on the side of the road.
Uh-huh.
So here it comes, guys. 1, 2, 3, right here on the left side. You can see the hole right there. See it?
Yes, it's yeah. Okay. That's a lava tube.
Wow.
Wait.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was down.
That was crazy.
Yeah, there was an opening.
I caught my
Yeah.
video, but the big heads were kind of my way. But there's a lot of lava. This was damaged. Look at all this damage.
Yeah. Yeah, all that just flowed right through.
Opened up right there. That's crazy.
So why is natural disasters are volcanoes?
And tsunamis.
They have tsunamis? We got even more prepared then. There's tsunamis.
When's the last time you guys have had a tsunami?
I think the last time there was a tsunami here, it was in the 1960s.
A long time
And
ago,
it was
okay.
in Hilo mostly.
Okay.
So
Tsunamis
it was
are
because
rare.
of the Mauna Loa volcano. It created some earthquakes, and then there are some type of some part that they look like peninsulas. You know, it's like land coming out of to the ocean. So the waves kind of like bounce on the side of the walls, and then it hit the valley of Hilo.
Okay.
That's when it destroyed a couple houses, and we won't be able to see it today, but they had now like a green, like, how do you call it? Like they built like soccer fields, parking lots along the coast, so they don't build any structure along the coast just for future reference.
Yeah.
So it looks pretty nice out there because people going in to spend time along the coast.
Oh wait, so Dad, when we leave Saturday, I just have one more day of no school on Sunday.
Right. We don't get into Arizona until Sunday morning.
beautiful, but it has interesting volcanoes. They have 5 volcanoes apparently. That's a lot. Did they just form naturally?
Yeah, it's coming from the Earth's surface.
Why did volcanoes even form?
Cracks in the plates. Or is that
You could ask.
So 5 volcanoes, only one active though, and I know you said one is
Yeah.
dormant.
Yeah, we have an extinct volcano. That's the Kohala, the oldest one, right? North side of the island. Then we have the Hualalai volcano here, which is dormant. Mauna Kea, it's an extinct volcano too. Then we have the Kilauea, which is like active. It's actually the most active volcano. And then Mauna Loa is actually active too, but it doesn't create right now that many like lava flows.
Okay.
But it's still constructing underneath the earth, still like pushing and just creating layers of lava. And then Loihi.
Oh yeah.
That it's a
That's
seamount.
being formed. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That is being formed right now.
And the one on the left that we're passing, that one's extinct, right?
This one is dormant.
Oh, dormant. Okay.
It's dormant, but it's been 200 years already.
Okay.
Last eruption, so.
I was like, that's a lot of buildings on a volcano.
Yeah, no, it's crazy. That's cloud forest right there. Most of the day, it's just like that.
Wow.
Like if I would have like picked you up around 6 o'clock in the morning,
Yep.
we would have seen it all, like
Wow.
all the volcanoes. But this one right now, it's getting all the fog. That's what we call it fog here. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's like volcano smoke. So as it erupted at 3 a.m. in the morning, all of that is actually some smoke from the volcano that is just like building up on this side of the island. So all the smoke from the volcano goes south, and it doesn't go on top of the mountain, so it goes around it, and then when it goes around it, it just like stays close to the slopes of the volcano, and then it creates this type of environment here.
Huh.
And that's also why the Kona coffee it's kind of like good, It has sunny mornings, and then during the afternoon it gets clouds. It rains a little bit at night sometimes. So it's the perfect environment for coffee to grow.
Okay.
So the Kona belt goes from kind of like this part of Kaloko, this Kaloko area. So where you start to see all those clouds, all the way almost to the south point. So that's like 35 miles of the Kona belt. So all of this area from 500 feet up to 3,500 feet above sea level, it's the perfect area to grow coffee here.
Yeah, when we drove through it, it was like literally just cloud. It was like you went into a whole different part of the island, totally different topography. Like all the weather, it was like just cloudy, and then it rained most of the way we went.
Yeah, no, you'll see patches or like microclimates.
Yeah,
like easy. So on the way when we get to South Point, and then we leave Puna, the Black Sand Beach, we are gonna be driving in a valley, and that valley is between the Mauna Loa and the Kilauea volcano. But the funny part is because it's a valley, Mauna Loa is in a higher altitude, So the Kilauea is most active right now. So every lava flow that's trying to go to the like the Mauna Loa side is not able to go uphill. So kind of like still build more of the valley. So we're gonna have the desert on the right side, and then we're gonna have the Mauna Loa slough on the left side, and it's gonna be like lush green vegetation. And then on the right side, it's gonna be like this, like the desert. So that's a good part that I like to point out.
Yeah.
That's all about smoke or fog. Wait, what do they call fog again?
Smoke.
So this is the industrial area of Kona. So you will find a lot of warehouses, the harbor, everything from like auto repairs, boats, heavy equipment. So all the companies kind of like built up a lot of warehouses on this area.
Okay. Yeah, it's just like off the ground.
So on your right side we have Kaloko. It's a national historical park. Mostly it's just like burials around the coast. Hawaiians used to like bury people there, so those are like sacred sites for them.
Okay.
But you're able to go there and go along the coast, take a trail, and then see the barriers.
Why'd they move it?
Just like got crowded here, and now imagine having the airport here. How this street will be right now.
Yeah.
It'll be packed. So it looks that we have a lot of time for the next pickup. For some reason, I have to pick him up at 11:25.
Oh wow.
But
What
it's
kind?
like 10:40, and I'm like 10 minutes from there picked up. So I can take you to the Aliki Drive, and maybe if you guys want, I can drop you off, and you guys can walk for a little bit, or we just drive around.
Oh, that's okay.
I look at the beautifulness too. I see it through here.
I'm just gonna say you're gonna have a really long video.
I know of the beautiful Hawaii, right? Well, and I'm not forgetting this. I think I'm done now. I'm gonna continue.